real cool.
Look. Want me to put this on my YouTube channel? It's a bird house or a spider house.
Rhododendron flowers. Oh, secret house.
Yes.
Oh, lighthouse.
Okay, lighthouse. What's that? What's that?
No, get ready. Not too fast.
Look, it's a dinosaur.
Quicksand.
Dinosaur. Quicksand over there. It falls off. Fall off, we're gonna leave him out. Flowers. Collarbone Hill. Hello. Look, the tree over there, over the tree.
Oh, here, look. Go cat.
Hold on, don't fall. Look, what's that? It's a, what is that? Look, a duck house. Over there. What is that? Oops.
Oh, forest cedar.
Over here. Slow wait.
No way.
Is that Fogger? Hi, Fogger. What's that? Over there. What's that? Oh, my. It's Winnie the Pooh? What's that? Bunny! Mushroom. Hello.
Dad, where's your camera?
Hello.
Oh, wow. That's cute.
Is that over there? Choo choo! Look at flowers, Miguel. There's a lot of flowers. Hello! Wait, hello! He's faster than us! Oh no! He's gonna beat us! Look! Look, he's back here. Elmo! Say hi, Elmo!
No.
Look, is that a swan? Say hello, say hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Like this, like this.